right, boys and girls, we're looking at the long I words from Unit 18. So our first word at the top is find. If I take the beginning sound, the F, off, and substitute the M, I have the word mind. Actually, make this bigger. Okay. So for the next one, oops, hold on 1 second. We have mind. I'm going to take the beginning sound M off and put a K instead, and that makes the word kind. Okay, hold on 1 second. All right, now we have kind. I'm going to take the K in the beginning off and put the blend bull to make the word blind. Okay, now I have the word blind. I'm going to take the bull off and add grr, the blend grr, which would make grind, grind. And now we have grind. I'm going to take the grr from grind and put an just the R, which is rind. All we did there was substitute the beginning sound to make different words.